My website code and now I will run the code and show to you output. This is a simple website of restaurant app. Now I will show to you output. This is the home screen. This is the menu screen. This is the reservation screen. Actually, this is not working, so I have not added the code now at that one time. This is a content screen, and this is a reservation screen. No reservation yet. Now I will explain the code to you. Actually, I make the code on Jupyter notebook, but this is a Flask use. I first install the Flask, and this is a Flask library, redirect library, threading, date and time. This is a menu code, basic HTML, doc HTML are used. I have used HTML for designing part. This is a nav item are used, which is for main link, home, menu, reservation, contact reservation. This is a container M3I, and this is for special rendering render template string. App.root menu is used for card are placed here and card are placed here and card are added and text are added with the help of this. These are for reservation. Reservations screen are made from there. Form and anything else. This is for content. This is for reservation, and this is all the code. This is all code for game. Oh, sorry, restaurant app. So I will show the code once again. I will run again this code and test this output. This is the output. I was shown on screen. Test and reservation. This these things are not working and at one time and this is all video. I hope you like it.